Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, let's talk about the bonuses which I have to offer. So we are going to give you three bonuses which you can see on your screen. So the number one bonus is going to be free lifetime email autoresponder. And then second is grab cash jacking free copy. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine Beginner's Guide 11,000 words ebook. Okay. I will explain these one by one. Before that, make sure you watch the video till the end because after this review in this video, I am going to explain or talk about the methods which I personally use to make money on the internet, my personal methods. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And now if you go and buy this product for which we are doing the review using my link below, which will be saying grab copy here. So that will take you to the sales page. If you go and buy this product using my link below, you will get these three bonuses. Okay, so number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponders. So sign up here and then you will be able to start doing email marketing. You can grow your email list for free and send emails for free for lifetime. Okay, so go and get the first bonus if you buy from a link. Second is kiss jacking free copy 2 hours video training. So if you go below my video again, it says here, right here, grab kiss jacking. So if I click on this is a training program which I sell separately. But if you buy this product, you do not have to pay for it. Okay, I'm giving you this as a bonus. Okay, I sell this separately, but if you go and buy this product using my link below, it says grab copy, then you will get kiss jacking absolutely for free. What is kiss jacking? It is a 2 hours video training in which you will learn how to do what I am doing on YouTube right now or what others are doing. Meaning, if you want to make these reviews and make sales and make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, then you will know exactly how to start on YouTube absolutely for free. Okay. So get your case tracking copy absolutely for free. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine. In case you are curious about learning trading Forex, okay, then this is your 11,000 words PDF, which you can download and read. It is totally for newbies so that you can get an idea what this industry is if you do not know anything about Forex trading. Okay, so you will get these three bonuses if you go and buy from me. So let's do a quick recap. First of all, watch this video till the end so that you can know my methods which I personally use to make money on the internet. And then if you go and grab the copy using my link below, so you will find the link of the sales page most probably in my every video. If not, then it's okay. So go and grab the copy using my link below to get access to these bonuses, free email, free lifetime autoresponder, then kiss tracking copy, and then this 11,000 words PDF about Forex trading as a beginner. Okay, and I will send you the link of this document and then you will be able to access all the bonuses at once. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can always email me. If you are able to, if you have any difficulties in accessing your bonus after the purchase, you can always email to me. Okay, so now let's go and start the review. All right, guys, let's do this Solopreneur's dashboard review. So right now we are on a sales page and you can see a glimpse of this dashboard right here on the left. Let me maximize or open the image in a new tab. So this is how it is going to look like. Okay, so you will have DV5 gradient text maker. Now this is all to do with WordPress. So you need to know a little bit about, websites, WordPress, hosting, etc. Okay, it's for people who are working on WordPress already and you want everything at one place, right? So coming back here on the sales page, it says your AI tools, page, links, post, notes, quick tasks, content, dates, and site messages finally get one home inside WordPress. No scavenger hunt required. So to get to the sales page, you may or may not find the link below my YouTube video. So as of now, my links are not approved, but in the future, you may go and find the link below my video, which might say that grab Solopreneur's dashboard copy here. Click on that link and come to the sales page, and then you can go and buy the copy in $9. And you will also get my bonuses, which we discussed in the beginning. Okay, in case you don't see the link, that means the links are not approved. Okay, but at the same time, you have my own products. So It says here, check out all of my Warrior Plus products. You click on that and you can buy them if you need. For example, I'm launching this review to profit AI. Go and check this out. It's a very cool product. It will help you in generating AI, AI articles, AI YouTube scripts, etc. Go and check this out. So below the video, you will either find the link of this Solopreneur dashboard. If not, then go and check out my launches, where it says check my Warrior Plus products, and go and grab it. So do we have anything else here on the sales page? Come to the sales page, check out everything, okay? And the early price is $9 and it can go up to 17, but let me show you the funnel. So come here and it is for $9, and then we have some PLR rights which you can get in extra $5, and then OTO 1 is this, OTO 2 is this, OTO 3 is this. You can read everything here, okay? That's all. There are only 3 OTOs. So if you want this dashboard, then you just have to pay $9, and you can see here what it does. So what you can finally stop chasing around. You can do all these at once. And built in for solopreneurs, if you are a blogger, digital product sellers, etc., etc. I told you in the beginning already that you got to be working in WordPress and know about hosting and website, etc., etc. So it's not, everything is not for newbies. This is for people who are already into WordPress, working for yourself or for your clients. Okay. So if you need this, if you want this dashboard, then go and buy this product and buy from my link if you see my link, and get the bonuses which I have discussed. If you don't see the link, that means my links are not approved, but you can always go and check out my Warrior Plus products. And now let's go ahead and talk about the ways I make my money using the links below. So watch the video till the end. Alright guys, now let's quickly talk about the methods which I personally use to make money online, and below the video you have to go and check out these links. So this link which says swing like a pro, so if you click on that link and then follow the instructions, you will come to this page right here. So this is forex trading. Not everybody does that. I do it. So in case you want to try forex trading, you can click on that swing like a pro link and come to this page and watch these videos one by one. These are short videos, 2 minutes long, to see how this works or how can we make money with this. And if this is something which you want to try, then you can join my mentorship program. That's method number 1, which I do. Not everybody does. Okay. So second link is saying make money on YouTube. So when you click on the second link, then follow the instructions and you will be on this page after that. It is Traffic Jarvis, so your free traffic on YouTube. Because when you come on YouTube, you can make money in multiple ways. You can make money by getting your YouTube channel monetized. For example, when you saw some ads in my video, I make a little bit of money because my YouTube channel is monetized. How you can do that? You can get 1,000 subscribers or these days 500 subscribers, I guess, but you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within a month if you follow this training program, and you will get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month, so that YouTube starts paying you for people who will watch the video and the ads. Okay, so you can see I have made this kind of money just by making these videos where people have seen my videos. Nothing buying, no nothing. Okay. And also you can go ahead and make sales. For example, you record YouTube videos, and when somebody will buy something from you, then you make sales using free YouTube traffic. Okay, so if you want to go and make a full-time career on YouTube, go and check out this Traffic Jarvis. And then third link says get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you can email them once every day, and you can sell them anything you want, or you can sell them this system itself. For example, if I show you, this is the system I have been using, and I had been making recurring commissions for the number of years, as you can see, never ending. Okay, so if somebody will buy the system from you, you make commissions every month reoccurring. Okay, on top of that, you get 100 email leads per day, and you can email them any offer of your choice. Okay, whatever you want to promote or sell, you can do that, right? So again, go and grab the free bonus email autoresponder here. So let's do a quick recap. We have done the review already. Okay, if you want to try trading, then you can click this swing like a pro. If you want to make a full-time income on YouTube, then click this second link, make money on YouTube, come to this page and grab Traffic Jarvis. If you want 100 email leads per day and email them once per day, anything which you want to sell, then click on this link and join that program right here. And As I told you in the beginning, go and grab your bonus free lifetime email autoresponder by clicking on this link. And if you buy from my link, you will get that kiss jacking bonus we discussed, because kiss jacking is a separate 2 hours of training, as you can see on YouTube. Okay. So if you want to get these bonuses, free email autoresponder and my free 2 hours kiss jacking training, then go and buy this review which we have done. Go and buy this product using my link somewhere here. And that's all for it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.